and sharing my screen with you. So here I came up with a different scenario that can be easily understand how the images formed by curved mirrors. So it will be easy for you to understand now. Okay, let me share one video first. Okay, this one. And let me, someone please confirm whether you can hear. Okay, Lavia, please help me. Uh, Yeah, last time we did images formed by curved mirrors. Can you remember? So there were two types of curved mirrors. Okay, concave and convex. So today we are going to understand how the images are formed on these two types of images. So two types of mirrors. Okay, let's watch this video first.
Do you know that mirrors
Can you hear the video, Pute? Sound?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
are
Yes,
of different
teacher.
types?
Okay.
Plane
Thanks.
mirror and curved or spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors can be further divided into concave mirror and convex mirror. So there are three types of mirrors: plane, concave and convex. In fact, I have all these three mirrors on this wall here for you. I'm going to go and stand in front of each of these mirrors and let's see what do we observe. If I stand in front of the first mirror, I appear to be the same height. If I stand in front of the second mirror, oops, I appear to be inverted. Now if I move close to the mirror, I appear to be magnified.
Can you remember that day I have explained what is the mirror? What type of mirror is that? When we go near to the mirror, it again converted as the upright image. And if we go backward, so it will converted as the upside down image. What type of image what type of mirror is that? Can you remember? This type of mirrors are used in the dentist place also. What is the type of mirror? Concave. Concave. Can you remember that day I showed you this spoon? This spoon and explained concave one here. When you go near to the concave mirror, you can see enlarged upright image. Okay? So like from the behind of that concave mirror, you will see upside down image. Okay. Remember that? What is the mirror is that? It's who's that, Pute? Yes, can't hear. Anya, yes, tell me.
I see.
Pute, can you type it on the chat? I can't hear you properly.
I type. Just I talk. Take the spoon and check that.
Ah, you have done it at home, you are saying. Okay, good, good.
Yes.
Okay, Anya. Then you know what type of mirror is that? It's the concave mirror. Okay? Concave හැරිලා තියෙන ඇතුළට like a cave. Okay? Cave කියන්නේ ගල් ගුහාවක්. So concave. Okay? Remember that. Check.
Now if I stand in front of the third mirror, I appear to be shorter. Can you guess the type of mirror for each of these? That's right. The first mirror is a plane mirror. The second mirror is a concave mirror. And the third mirror is a convex mirror. Let's talk about the three mirrors. A plane mirror has a plane or flat surface. And I'm sure you must have noticed that when you stand in front of a plane mirror, you appear to be the same height. Now let's look at concave and convex mirrors.
Okay, give me a minute. Lavya, last time I have explained some characteristics of the plane mirror. So one by one,
Yeah.
I am going to ask. Lavya, tell me one characteristics of a image that is formed on the plane mirror. Plane mirror.
Uh, it is virtually that cannot be seen clear. Virtually that.
Image is virtual. Yes. Okay. Now, Shaven, tell
Or
me one. Oh,
lateral inversion.
yes, correct. Now, Shaven, tell me one. What about the height of the image?
What teacher?
I am asking the characteristics of the image that is formed on the plane mirror, Shaven. Okay. Now, Lavya told two characteristics. Now, Shaven, tell me one, another one. What about the height of the image with compared to the object in front of the mirror?
Our height is the same.
Our object's height and the image height is same. Very good. Aditya, can you tell me one?
What teacher?
Ane, you are not in the class, ne? Okay. I am asking Pute, what are the characteristics of the image that is formed on the plane mirrors? Lavya told two. Shaven told one. Now Aditya tell me another one. Oh, same thing also fine.
We see our same features in the plane mirror.
Okay. Like same size. Isn't it, Aditya?
And
Same.
it is virtual.
Image is virtual. Very good. Kemin, can you tell me one? Okay, no issues then. Okay, let's watch this video and later we'll summarize. Okay? Kemin, do you have an answer?
Mm,
You can repeat the
the
same. That's
image
also
is
fine.
real.
Image is no. Image is virtual, Kemin.
Yeah.
Can we touch the image? Okay? By putting your hand through the mirror? No, we
No.
can't. So, image is virtual. Okay? All right, let's
Yeah.
watch this video.
These mirrors are curved mirrors. And a very simple way to understand them is using a spoon. So I'd like you to pause the video right here and go and get a spoon. And it'll be great if you can get a large and shiny spoon.
Can you go and get a spoon quickly? But it should be shiny. People who can get, please bring one. Otherwise, please wait. I'll wait 2 minutes. If you can, please go and take a spoon, shiny spoon. 2 minutes, I'll wait. Shaven, you also go, Please bring a shiny spoon. Please ask your mother to help. Anya has one. Very good. I'll wait 2 minutes. 1 more minute
Teacher,
is there. Yes, Medbo.
this I got a spoon, but it's not shiny.
Then you can't see the image, Medbo. Okay, no issues.
Yes,
Medbo
teacher.
just no need.
Every spoon is not shiny.
Okay, don't worry, Medbo. Yes, don't worry. Don't bother your mother. We'll wait and see this video. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, hope all you are back. So let's continue. Continue watching this video.
So are you ready with your spoon? A concave mirror is curved inwards. So if you look at this side of the spoon, can you see it is curved inwards just like a concave mirror? Now hold the spoon like this and look at yourself in the spoon. What do you observe? You appear to be inverted and smaller in size or diminished. Now if
Inverted and smaller in size. Remember these things, Inverted, smaller in size, but it's like far away from you. if you hold the spoon far away from you, what is the image, nature of the image? It's inverted and smaller in size. Remember, MCQs will come. Okay?
You bring the spoon really close to yourself. You can see that you are looking magnified. But an easier way to do this is to hold an object like a pencil and get it really close to the mirror. Now you can clearly see the magnification.
Magnify means ලොකු වෙනවා. Okay, image එක ප්‍රමාණයෙන් ලොකු වෙනවා. It's getting bigger. Image is getting bigger and previously it was upside down. Yes, Anya. Previously it was upside down. When you getting closer to the spoon, what will happen? It will become upright. Okay.
So a concave mirror is the only mirror that can produce an inverted image in this position or a magnified image. A convex mirror is the opposite of a concave mirror. So if we flip the spoon, here we have a convex mirror. Now if you look at yourself on the convex side of the spoon, what do you notice? You appear to be smaller, but your image is now straight or upright. And no matter where you move the spoon, the image in a convex mirror is always diminished and upright.
At Appit, our engineering degree
Sorry.
program
That's an advertisement. Sorry about that.
create
Right. So this was our quick recap on the three mirrors. More details on spherical mirrors coming up later in the video. But first let me ask you, which types of mirrors are you using in your daily lives?
Tell me, which type of mirrors are you using in your daily life? Plain mirrors.
Mirrors.
Plain mirrors. Correct. Okay.
I'm using all three types of mirrors every day. If you don't believe me, I'll be showing you some clippings from my daily life. And you need to be a detective and identify the type of mirror. Is it a plane mirror, concave mirror, or a convex mirror?
Are you ready? So you have to identify the type of the mirror that he is going to use. Huh? Okay.
Are you ready? Let's start. In the morning, when I shave, which type of mirror am I using?
Here. He wants to check his what? Check his face.
Concave.
Concave. Very good. Because he wants to see an enlarged upright image. So which means he needs a concave mirror. Okay, remember.
The shaving mirror is a concave mirror. The face in the mirror is magnified. If I flip this mirror, there's a plane mirror behind this. Can you see the difference in magnification between the plane mirror and the concave mirror? When I comb my hair, which type of mirror
It's a
am I using?
plain mirror. Plain mirror.
Plain mirror. Okay. Very good, very good.
This mirror has a flat surface. It's a plane mirror. When I leave the house and go down in the elevator, which mirror does the elevator have?
Which mirror?
Convex. Convex. Plain mirror.
Plain mirror. Plain mirror, Pute. Because usually people are coming in the morning. They are using lift before go to the work or before they are enter into their office. They use this kind of mirror to check their dress. Okay? පොඩ්ඩ හැඩ වැඩ වෙලා ladies ලා පොඩ්ඩක් මේකප් උත් කරනවා සමහර අය ඒක ඇතුලේ. Okay? So it's a plain mirror. What will happen is it is a concave. Everyone is peeking to the mirror to check their faces. Okay? Peeking into the mirror. So it's not practical. So they are having a what? Plain mirror in the elevator.
It's a plane
Lift එක කියන්නේ. Elevator means lift එක. Okay?
mirror. To save time, I can actually comb my hair on the way down. While driving the car, I use the two mirrors. The rear view mirror
Ah,
and the side mirror.
okay.
Convex.
Side mirror is what?
Convex.
Side mirror is convex.
Okay. Rear mirror?
Concave.
Plain.
Plain? Okay, let's check.
Which types of mirrors are these two mirrors? That's right.
Convex.
Rear view mirror and the side mirror are examples of convex mirrors because they give a greater field of view. There are mirrors kept at road intersections.
Because Pute, they are trying to getting the broader area of broader area image into a small space. Because you can watch on you while driving, it's hard to look in the large, vast, wide area. If you do that, you will collide with other vehicles. ගිහිල්ලා අනිත් වාහනවල හැප්පෙනවා. So that's why they are using this convex type of mirrors. They try to smaller the large areas into a narrow space. Okay, let's
So
continue.
that you can see the vehicles coming from
see,
the other side. Which type of mirror
what
are
is
these?
the type of this mirror?
Convex.
Convex. Convex. Very good.
That's right, convex mirrors. So as you can see, I'm using all three types of mirrors.
Let me share a screenshot of this on the chat. So it will be helpful for you to understand the real life
Every day,
daily usage
plain,
of these mirrors.
concave and convex mirrors. Concave and convex mirrors are together called spherical mirrors. Now, do you know why they are called spherical mirrors?
Important thing. Last time I wanted to explain this to you, but you didn't get what is that meaning here. Spherical mirrors. Why that it's spherical? What is sphere? Do you know what is a sphere? Kemin? What is a sphere means? Okay. Sphere means this. This one. Look at the board. This is sphere. Golayak. In Sinhala, Golayak. Spherical mirror. Why is that? Let's watch the video again. Yeah.
If I take this ball, it has the shape of a sphere. Now let's imagine the surface of this ball to be shiny like a mirror. I wish I had a silver colored ball, then it would actually look like a mirror. Now if I take this knife and I cut the ball here, this slice is a curved mirror. It's called a spherical mirror since it's come from a sphere.
That
If the
is the
inside portion
reason.
is
Why we call it as the spherical mirror? Because it comes from a sphere. Actually, they are in the manufacturing process also, they are using spheres to make this kind of mirrors. Okay?
since it's come from a sphere. If the inside portion is polished, it's called a concave mirror.
Inside, if we apply mercury, okay? Inside, so what will happen? It's concave. Actually, let me show this on the board here. Last time I have explained, this is the plane mirror, Pute. Here we are applying mercury this side. Mercury means rasadiya. You know rasadiya? Mercury. Okay. If we apply mercury this side, if we look in this side, if we look from this side, this is the side of the mirror. This is the mirror. Okay. Now let's take this one. If we apply mercury here, mercury means rasadiya, remember, mercury. So we have to look into this side of this object to make it as a convex mirror. Okay, this is the shiny side because we apply mercury the other side. Okay, and the next one. Okay, here we are going to apply mercury in this side, like your shiny spoon. Okay. If we apply mercury this side, we have to look from this side. So here's the concave mirror. Okay, you have to remember these symbols, Pute. This is convex. In science, you have to draw this kind of mirrors using these symbols. Okay, remember that. Okay, where we have to apply mercury and from which side we have to look into. Likewise, you have to remember. Okay, let me share my screen again.
If you polish the outside portion, it's called a convex mirror. An easy way to remember the concave mirror is, it's as if you're entering a cave. It's a hollow portion. So this side is a concave mirror, and the opposite side, which is bulging, is a convex mirror. The concave mirror can be represented by this simple diagram, where the smooth side is the shiny reflecting surface. The side with these small dashed lines is the back of the mirror. Similarly, for the convex mirror, the smooth side is the shiny reflecting surface, and this side is the back of the mirror.
Let me share a screenshot of this quickly. Okay, on the chat. Okay, you watch.
Now an interesting question is, why these mirrors behave differently? To understand, let's imagine we are throwing a parallel beam of light on all the three mirrors. Let's start with the plane mirror. So if you throw the parallel beam of light, can you see that the light rays remain parallel even after reflection? Next, let's try the concave mirror. Now if you throw the parallel beam of light, can you see that the concave mirror converges the light rays to a point? The concave mirror is a converging mirror. And now let's look at the convex mirror. So if you throw the parallel beam again, can you see that the convex mirror is diverging the light rays?
What is converging and diverging? Can you remember that day? What I have explained. Converge means it try to
Converging
get
is something like coming to a
From a
one point.
coming to a one point, and divergent means from a point going for separate places.
yes, like converging means it's gather to a one point. Okay, divergent means it's going away. Okay, good. You remember.
So the convex mirror has a diverging action. It's
Remember that also. Convex mirror, what is happening? Diverging. Concave, what will happen there? What will happen there in convex mirror? Oh, මතක නෑනේ අප්පා. Convex mirror?
Can you see that the convex mirror is diverging the light rays? So the convex mirror has a diverging action. It's a diverging mirror. Here's a comparison table of a plane, concave and convex mirror. Now you must be thinking, why curved mirrors converge and diverge light rays, but a plane mirror does not? Is it because these laws of reflection hold only for a plane mirror and
That day I have explained this laws of reflection. Am I? Can you remember that? Pute,
I think
did
teacher
I
was-
explain?
Hmm,
What are the laws of reflection? No. Okay. Let me, I think simply you have to know what is that. The incident ray and the reflected ray. Okay, let me stop sharing here and explain that as well. Okay. If we have a mirror like this, okay, this is the mirror, okay, and let me apply mercury to make it as a mirror. Otherwise, it's a plain glass. So then let me draw this axis. perpendicular axis like this. This is perpendicular to the mirror. Okay. Let's take a ray of light like this. It coming here and again reflect back with the same angle. If it is a plane mirror, this angle we call it as the angle of incident. Angle of incident, I. And this is angle of reflection, R. Okay, let me write down what is that. Angle of incident. And here, angle of,
Teacher, can I go drink some water?
yes, please. Ola can go. 1 minute, Tagala duwalenna ona. Angle of reflection. Everyone, please go and come quickly.
Teacher, I came.
Okay.
Teacher, I came.
All right, we'll wait. Tasheli Puta, what's your school?
I'm from Anula, teacher.
Sorry?
I'm from Anula.
Anula. Okay, Puti. Shafin from which school, Puti? Shafin? Shefin, eh? Shefin.
St. Sebastian's College.
Okay.
Teacher, I am back.
Okay. Tarushi. Okay. You are newcomers neither. Tasheli and Shafin? Are you joining from today or last week did you join?
Teacher, today is my first day.
Okay. What about Tasheli?
This week, teacher. I came from this week.
This week. Okay. Okay. Let me explain then. Here, angle of reflection and angle of incident. Okay. This way, the ray is coming and it's bounced back with these angles. So remember what is the angle of incident and the angle of reflection now. So what are the laws of reflection is explaining? The incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incident all lie in the same plane. What is this? What is this? Same plane means what? Let me explain. Okay. If we take, this is the plane mirror. Let's assume this is the plane mirror. And I am going to look at the board. The blue line. Okay, blue arrow. Blue arrow represented axis is what?
Private teacher can
This one. Okay. Blue arrow represented plane. I can draw like this in 3D view. This is a 3D view. Okay. Trimana Rupayak. Okay. This line I drew as a plane here on the board. Can you see this is the mirror? This is the mirror. And this is the axis I marked in here, axis.
this is a miracle කොටුවක් ඇඳලා ඉරටු කෑලි 4 වගේ කොටුවක් ඇඳලා this is a miracle. එහෙම නෙමෙයි මිර එකක් ඇත්තටම තියලා පෙන්නන්න ඕන නෙමෙයි.
Hari. Okay. Now, Pute, what is this first law is telling? The incident ray. This is called as the incident ray. අපිට ආපු එන කිරණය. Ori? Incident ray. Ray කියන්නේ කිරණය. Incident ray. And the reflected ray. Reflected ray. Okay? Reflected ray. And this axis and this point. Look at this red color dot here and this point are in same plane. Now I am going to draw this thing. This point and the incident ray is coming like this. And it's going like this. All are in the same plane. එකම තලයකලු තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? තේරුණාද කියන එක? මේ ඔක්කොම තියෙන්නේ එකම තලයකලු. Don't worry about it too much. Okay? In grade 8 also you will further remember this thing. You have to remember only angle of incident is equals to the angle of reflection. So if we talk about the laws of reflection, first law is all three. This angle of incident, angle of reflection, and ray of reflection, and the incident ray, all are all lie in the same plane. මෙන්න මේ plane එකේ තමයිලු තලයලු තියෙන්නේ 3D view එකේ ගත්තොත්. ඒ ගැන වැටි worry වෙන්න එපා. Don't worry about it. The second law is the angle of incident is always equals to the angle of reflection. Here, if we check the value of I, you know the angles lesson I have explained in the mathematics lesson. Can you remember how to measure the angles here? So if we measure angle I and angle R, you can see angle I value is equals to the angle R. That's the second law of reflection. Okay? Just remember only this part for now. You will learn further in grade 8 and 9, the first law. Okay? Now let's watch the video. Yeah, before that, let me share a screenshot of this on the chat. Hari. Let me share my screen now. Okay.
Not for curved or spherical mirrors? What do you think? The answer is the laws of reflection always hold for both plane and curved mirrors. Let's take a closer look.
Stop taking meeting notes.
Sorry,
and
that's an advertisement.
click up.
If you draw the normals at each of the points of incidence for the light rays, the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. But the concave and convex mirror have a converging and diverging action because of their curved shape. It's due to their curvature that the light rays reflect in this manner. There are some important terms for spherical mirrors. For example, pole, focus, center of curvature, principal axis, and so on.
There are some terms you have to remember. Okay? These terms actually not much important for now, but at least you have to know where it is. Okay? Let's look at what are these. He will explain what is the pole and focus, center of curvature, because spherical mirrors are made out of a sphere. So, because of that reason, these terms are coming to the scene. We'll see.
Let's understand these terms with the help of a simple diagram. Let's start with the concave.
ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ දැන් මේ දර්පණ කපලා ගන්නේ බෝලවලින්. වීදුරු බෝලවලින්. හරිද? දැන් බෝලයක් ගත්තාම බෝලේ තියෙනවානේ අරය රේඩියස් එක. No? If we take a goal, spherical goal, it has a radius. You know, in circle lesson in grade 6, you will learn all these. Every circle has a radius. අරයක් තියෙනවා. So because of this nature of these spherical mirrors, so they will have different terms. Axis, ඒකේ තියෙන අක්ෂයක්, අරයක්, ඒ curvature එකේ තියෙන focal point එක කියලා තියෙන ඒ තල focal point means where all the rays are converging. සියලුම කිරණ එකතු වෙන්නේ focal point. ඒ වගේ වචන ටිකක් තියෙන පොඩ්ඩක් නිකන් මතක
Concave
තියාගන්න.
mirror. The center of curvature is the center of the hollow sphere of which the mirror is a part. The center of curvature is represented by C.
Now see, when we are trying to carve or cut out this curve or the mirror from a sphere, the center of that entire sphere we call as the center of curvature. What is that? Center of curvature.
The center of the surface of the concave mirror is called the pole, represented by P here.
The middle part of the mirror, we call it as the pole. Okay, just try to remember. Okay.
Radius of curvature R is the radius of this sphere. The straight
අරය නේද? වෘත්තයක ගත්තොත් අරය තියෙනවානේ. So radius of curvature means the radius of the sphere.
line passing through the center of curvature and the pole is called the principal axis. The portion of the mirror where the reflection of light takes place is called the aperture of the mirror, represented by mm dash here.
mm dash part එකට අපි කියන්නේ අපාච කියලා එක තමයි මොනවාද දර්පණයේ අදාළ ඒ දේ ඒ කියන්නේ කිරණ වලට බලපවත්වන ප්‍රදේශය කියන එක හැටියට තමයි aperture of the mirror කියලා අපි ගන්නෙ.
Remember, the concave mirror is a converging mirror. If a beam of light that is parallel to the principal
Okay, notice how the beam is converging and diverging in both mirrors.
axis is incident on the concave mirror. After reflection, the rays meet at a point on the principal axis. This point is called the focus, represented by F. The focus is exactly in the center of P and C.
Like it's a half of the radius of this sphere. Focal point is where? It's on the principal axis between the curvature, center of curvature and the pole. And what is the size? It's half of the radius of the sphere. මේ අරයෙන් හරියටම භාගයයි. අර ගන්න ගෝලයේ කේන්ද්‍රයත් මෙතන නාභිය මේ පෝල් එක කියන ද්‍රවයත් අතර හරි මැද්ද තමයි නාභිය කියන්නේ. In Sinhalin we call it as නාභිය. Where all the rays are converging in this point. We call it as focus or focal point, where it is in between this radius. So actually half of the radius. Okay.
The focal length F is the distance between the pole and the focus. So focal length equals
Look at the
radius of curvature by 2. Now let's take a look at the convex mirror. Center of curvature is the center of the hollow sphere of which the mirror is a part, represented by C here. Note that the center of curvature of a convex mirror lies behind the mirror. The center of the surface of a convex mirror is called the pole, represented by
Now put in convex mirror, usually where the light rays are coming, from where the light rays are coming, Aditya? This side, neda? From this side.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, but where the curvature of the circle is here? So curvature, center of curvature is behind the mirror. Remember that. Where is the center of curvature? It's behind the mirror. Okay, that's and the focal point also. Yes, Pute.
Where is the radius of curvature?
Here, PC is the radius of the curvature. It's also behind the mirror. This is the
Okay,
behind the
thank you.
mirror. Ne? Yes. And focus also is in the behind the mirror. That is the difference between concave and convex mirrors. Okay. In concave mirror, curvature, center of the curvature, focus, pole and principal axis, everything is in front of the mirror. But what happened in the concave one? Sorry, convex one. All are behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. mirror එකට පිටිපස්සෙන් තමයි ටික තියෙන්නේ. උත්තල කාචය කියලා කියන්නේ මේකට සිංහලේ. හරි? උත්තල කාචේ පිටිපස්සේ තමයි හැම එකම තියෙන්නේ. උත්තල කාචේ. අවතල කාචේ හරියටම ඉස්සරහෙන් තියෙන. කණ්ණාඩි ඉස්සරහෙන්මයි.
P here. Radius of curvature R is the radius of this sphere. The straight line passing through the center of curvature
What is that? What is this line? Principal axis. මොකද්ද පුතේ? Principal axis.
and pole is called the principal axis. The portion of the mirror where the reflection of light takes place is called the aperture,
Aperture.
represented by mm dash here. Remember, the convex mirror is a diverging mirror. If a beam of light that
What is diverging means? Aditya, can you remember?
Diverging means, teacher, it is going away.
Going away. Very good. You remember.
is
Very well.
parallel to the principal axis is incident on the convex mirror. After reflection, the rays appear to diverge from a point on the principal axis.
ඒක පේන්නේ. So it's kind of like coming from the behind of the mirror and starting from the focal point වගේ තමයි ඒක reflect වෙන්නේ. Look at here. It's go here. Then we have to what? We have to join this dot with the focal point, and from there onwards we can extend this line. That's how it's a. Let me draw it on the board. Then you will understand. Okay. Okay, erase this thing. Okay. If I draw a mirror like this, and the blue color line. Give me a minute. And this is the principal axis. What is this? This is the principal axis. Lavya, are you with me? ඉන්නව නේද class එකේ?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, this is P pole. Okay, and this is the center of curvature. C, center of curvature. And this is the distance is equals to what? Someone can please help me. What is the distance here? It is equals to what?
Focal point.
පුතා නෑ. This is the sphere නේ. නේද? So what is that then? This is the radius of the circle. නේද? This length is radius of the circle. Okay. In between radius divided by 2, what we have here? The focus point or the focus or the focal point. Sorry, focal point. Now, let me draw the rays. මෙන්න මෙහෙම අඳිනවා මම රේ එකක් ඔන්න බලන්න. මෙහෙම එනවා. ඇවිල්ලා මිරර් එකේ වැදිලා මේක ආයේ diverge වෙනවානේ. It will become diverge. එළියට යන්නේ. Focus වෙන්නේ කොතන ඉඳන්ද කියලා අපි බලන්නේ. කොහොමද දන්නවද? We have to draw another dotted line from focus point to the focal point to this point, and we can extend like this. Okay, so we have to complete the line here like this. This is how we have to draw the incident ray and the reflected ray. එන පරාවර්තන කිරණය සහ පරාවර්තිත කිරණය එන්නේ ওই විදිහට තමයි. මේ හරියට මෙතන ඉඳන් එනවා වගේ තමයි පේන්නේ අපිට. Let me draw another ray like this. ඔන්න. Let's check how it reflected back. Let me take another dotted line. From the focus to this point, let me draw the line and extend it like this. And I have to complete this line We can't keep the dotted line like this. This is the reflected and reflection line. Paravartana and incident ray and the reflected ray. Likewise, we have to draw. Let me draw another line. This one, how it diverge? Let me draw another line. From this focal point to this point, I have to extend the line like this. And we have to complete this line. We can't keep a dotted line in front of the mirror. So this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. Let me draw another one. Hope you understood. තේරෙනවද ආදිත්‍ය? ඔක්කොම තේරෙනවද? තේරෙන්නේ නැති කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවද? Yes. And from this focal point to this point, I have to draw the line and extend it further. And have to complete this line. Like this. My lines are not straight. Please excuse me. This is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. That is how we can draw the divergence of the what is this? Convex mirror. Convex mirror. How it diverges, it's like coming from the focus or the focal point, like we can draw the rays like this. Understood, Pute? And I forgot to draw this. Mercury. This is the convex mirror. Better you write this down. Draw this. On the book you can draw. Then only you will understand how it is happening. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Aisha, understood? Okay. I forgot to say hi to you today. Minudi, Terunada, understood? Any questions here?
No, teacher. I understood.
Good. You know, when you go to grade 8, it will become like a super easy for you. There is another lesson called light in grade 8 as well, I guess. So it will be super easy for you because you know how these rays are behaving. Parents, don't blame at me. Okay, this is not actually advanced concept. They can learn and they can understand. So don't blame at me. Now they can properly answer to the exam paper because they know how to do how these rays are behaving properly. Okay. සමහර අම්මල බයිනවා මේ ටීචර් පිස්සු මේ පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩිපුර කරනවා නේද කියලා මට බනින්න එපා. මේ හැම දෙයින්ම ඕගොල්ලෝ ප්‍රිපෙයාර් වෙන්නේ අන්තිමටම යන O level exam එකට. O level exam එක super easy වෙනවා. ඒක තමයි මගේ promise එක. බය වෙන්න එපා. අම්මලා බය වෙන්න එපා. මෙයාලට හොඳට තේරෙනවා මෙහෙම හිටියට. Is that true, Kemin? Medbo. Understood නේද? එදාට වඩා තේරුණා නේද අද? Okay. O level class එක ගැන දකින්නත් දුකයි සමහර ළමයි උත්තර දෙන විදිහ දැක්කම. මට උදව් කරන්නත් අමාරුයි. අලුතෙන් join වෙච්ච අය. Kemin, someone was asking -2 + 2 is equals what? You know what, Kemin? What is the answer?
No.
+2 -2. If we add +2 with -2, what's the answer, Kemin?
May I say the answer?
0. You know the answer, but they are asking from me, teacher, how it becomes 0. So I have to draw the number line and explain. O level students.
Grade 10.
Grade 11. How sad it is. So parents, don't blame at me. I am training these kids to O levels, huh?
I have finished.
Who's this? Is this Lavya?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's wait for the others, Lavya, because this is bit hard. Okay? But anyway, once you understand the things, it will become easy for you. Okay, let's wait. Let's give time for them.
Okay.
Okay. Now you know how the convex mirrors are diverging the rays. From where it's diverging, you know, you understood everything.
Finished, teacher.
Okay, good. What about the others? Can I post the picture to the chat and continue? Hmm?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I'll wait in another 2 more minutes. Pute, I can't hear. Your voice is kind of dragging. Is this Anya? Anya, ඇහෙන්නේ නෑ පුතේ. නිකන් drag වෙනවා වගේ. Finish, okay. What about Safa? Hi, Safa. How are you?
I'm fine, madam.
Okay. Understood, Safa? Today's lesson?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Madam.
Then I'm happy. What about Tasheli? Pute understood. Or any issues, any confusion?
Teacher.
Okay, good, good.
I am.
Good, Pute. Okay, I hope I have to continue. Okay, let's watch the video quickly. Here.
Point is called the focus, represented by F. The convex mirror has a virtual focus, since the focus lies behind the mirror. The focus is exactly in the center of P and C. The focal length F is the distance between the pole and the focus. So focal length equals radius of curvature by 2. Let's place the label diagram of a concave and convex mirror on our concept board.
Now help me, kids. What is C? Anyone please tell what is C?
Center.
Center of curvature.
Center of
Ah, curvature. What is F?
Focus.
Focus or focal point. Very good. What is P?
Pole.
Very good. Very good. So what is this blue line?
Principal axis.
Principal
Radius?
axis. Principal axis, Puta. Principal axis. Okay?
Okay.
Principal axis. What is this capital R?
Radius of curvature.
Radius of the curvature. Very good. And the radius of this sphere or the circle. Very good. Now you know the terms. Good.
Now that we are done with the concepts, are you ready for the top 3 questions on this topic? Coming up for you right now.
Here. Name the type of mirror used in the following. Shop security mirror. What is the type of the mirror? Sorry. Sorry, Pute. Give me a minute. Let me close this thing. Yes. Tell me.
Convex.
Shop security mirrors.
Concave.
I need the answers from everyone. Okay? Not only one.
Concave?
Convex mirror. Why? He want to
Oh,
narrow
convex.
down the large white space to a small space. Which means what is that? It's the convex.
Convex.
Convex, Puta. Convex.
Convex.
Convex. Yes.
Convex. Convex.
Convex, Puti. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'll show you. Look at here.
උදේ නම් කොන්දේ අමාරු.
අයියෝ. ඒකට ඇඩ්වර්ටයිස්මන්ට් අප්පා sorry. කොන්දේ අමාරුව. Chick. Give me a minute, Puti. Another advertisement. Okay, here.
Con-
See? Convex. නේද? This convex mirror is helped to narrow down the wide space into a small thing. So, security person can look at this camera, look at this mirror and check what is happening around the shop. So, shop security mirror is a convex mirror. Remember that. So, solar furnace. I'll explain it in next week. Solar furnace. No, we didn't do that. We didn't do that. I have to do it, Putte. You have to use concave mirror because since the rays are converging to a one point, we can keep a pot or something to boil. Let me show that thing. Wait, give me a minute. Solar. 1 minute. Solar furnace. I'll show you an image. The image came. Let me take a screenshot of this and show you. Can't open. Check this. Here, this is a concave mirror. Since all the rays are converging at this point, you can produce heat out of this mirror. So we can keep a pot or you can boil water, whatever it is, you can do it using this Aditya. Okay? This is the solar furnace. Furnace කියන්නේ උදුනක් නේ. ලිපක්. Okay? Furnace. When we try to like furnace are kind of like yes, Putte, Medbo.
In our science lab, there is a glass in the. I mean the what?
උත්තල කාචය නේ. Magnification glass. Isn't that?
Yes,
that,
I mean.
yes.
In the compound microscope, there is a glass, but it's convex.
Yes, in the compound microscope also, it's having a concave mirror. Yes, correct. For what? To make a
in our one.
Yes.
In our one, there is a convex mirror.
Yes, convex. No, convex. No, that's not the case. Concave mirror should be there. Let me show you.
Is concave.
Microscope. Give me a minute. I'll show you. Let me take a screenshot. No. See this image. Here under there, it should be a concave mirror because concave mirror has the ability to converge the rays to the slide. Glass slide like this. නේද? Converge කරනවානේ මෙතනට. So
yes,
when the light comes. Okay. Forget
However,
about it, Medbo. Okay.
Okay.
In microscopes, we are using concave mirrors. Don't Try to switch between the other one, okay? Don't remember that concave mirrors are there, okay? All right, so what we are doing here, try to answer the questions. Then,
Excuse me, your belly.
whoa. Yo, sorry, Pute. Can't skip this even. Okay.
manochaacademy.com. Make a commitment to. Are you ready for the
Okay, we are trying to find out the answers to these questions. Okay. Solar furnace, you know, what is the type of mirror is there? Solar furnace? Concave or convex?
Concave.
Concave. Okay. So by dentist to examine the teeth.
Convex.
Concave.
Concave or
Convex.
convex?
Convex.
Concave. Concave. It's like a spoon.
Concave.
Can you remember that person showed when you getting closer to the mirror, it's become enlarged and upright. Neither. He has to see your teeth in enlarged way. Otherwise, he will pull out another tooth. වෙන දතක් ගලවලා දායි. දත පේන්නේ නැතුව. Okay? So what type of mirror is it? It's concave. Concave. Okay? Dentists use the concave. Question number 2. The focal length of a spherical mirror is 10 centimeters. What is the radius of curvature of the mirror? Tell me the answer. Superhero, superheroine, please tell me the answer. What is focal length? It's half of the radius. It's half of the radius, focal length.
Is it 20 centimeters?
Yes, it's 20 centimeters. Others understood? Here, Pute, he is telling, let me take blue color pen. Here he is telling the focal length of this is the focus, ne? So this length is 10 centimeters. He is asking what is the radius of the curvature, this distance. So how much is it? It's 2 times. Yes, 2 times 10 centimeters means 20 centimeters. Very good, Medbo. Okay, then the next one, let me share my screen again. How will you distinguish between a plane mirror, concave mirror, and convex mirror without touching the surface of the mirrors? Any idea? It's a kind of a common sense question. Try to understand. Don't touch the mirror. Okay? There are 3 mirrors in front of you. It's not allowed you to touch the mirror to check whether it's a concave or convex or a plane. So what you have to do?
A concave mirror is like curved.
Yes, you can observe, but you can't touch it.
Can't hear, teacher.
Can't hear? Who said can't hear? Pute? Can others hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Who can't
Yes,
hear
teacher.
me?
Concave. Teacher.
Yes, tell me, Pute.
Concave mirror, it is inverted.
Pute, yes, but whatever it is, we have to touch and see. Ne? Without touching, how do you identify? Let's assume you can't
Is it
see.
from the view?
Yes. You have to stand in front of every mirror and check the image. If it is a plane mirror, image size is same as you and image is upright. Isn't it? if it is a plane
Yes.
mirror. What happen in the with the concave mirror? Image appear larger when you stand closer to it. ලං වෙලා බැලුවොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? image එක ලොකුවට පේනවා. ඈතට ගියොත් චූටි වෙලා උඩයට මාරු වෙනවා. It becomes smaller when you go more far away from the mirror. What will happen to the image? It will become upside down and smaller. In concave mirror, if you go near to the mirror, if you stand closer to it, you can see the image appears larger and upright. What will happen in the convex mirror? Image is always upright but smaller than you. Image is pute? Let me write down these three properties. On the board, you also copy the same. Okay, I'm going to write this down. Plane mirror. Number 1, plane mirror. Lavya, Shavin, are you with me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, when it comes to the plane mirror, if you stand in front of it, image is upright and same size as you. Okay? Image is
Board.
sorry. I have to stop sharing. Now can see neda? Image is upright and size is same as the object. Okay, let me write down number 2. Concave mirror. අන්‍යයා තේරුණාද පුතේ? ප්ලේන් මිරර් එකෙන් බලනකොට අපේ සයිස් එකෙන්ම පේන ඔබ්ජෙක්ට් එක උඩු යටිකුරු වෙන්නේ නෑ. හරිද? sorry. sorry. When it comes with the like concave mirror, image is enlarged and upright. Sorry. When you become closer.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Puti.
Teacher,
Tell me.
in the first one,
Yes.
that image is upright, and what is the other one?
Size, Puti. This is Z. Let me erase it and write it again.
Okay.
This is Z. Size is same as the object. Second one, concave mirror. Image is enlarged and upright when you are closer. If the object is far away from the mirror, image become upside down and smaller. So concave, then convex. Convex mirror is this. Okay. Image is always smaller. and upright. This is the answer if they ask you how will you distinguish between plane mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror without touching the surface of the mirror. You can stand in front of each and every mirror and try to understand or try to recognize the image nature. Okay, shape of the image, you can identify what type of mirror is that. Don't touch it.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Puti?
I am so dumb because I did plane mirror practical in my science lab.
Okay.
I am so dumb because I didn't remember it.
Okay. Now okay then matakada.
Yes. Thank
Okay.
you, teacher.
Okay, good. I am happy that I am actually helping you for your schoolwork and for the exams. And remember all these things forever. ජීවිත කාලෙටම මතක තියාගන්න. මේ කණෙන් අහලා එහෙන් එළියට දාන්න එපා. හරිද? Because like I know everyone will be doing maths or science for your A levels. So they will not again explain these concepts in your A levels. So you have to remember all these things. හරිද? නැත්නම් A level අමාරුයි කියනව නේද ළමයි? අයියලා කියන්නේ ෆේල් වුණා අයියෝ මේ පාරත් ඉවරයි කැම්පස් යන්න බෑ. අයියේ මේ කාලේ හරියට ඉගෙන ගන්න නැහැ. අමතක කරන මේකෙන් ඇහුව මේ කණින් එළියට දැම්ම. එහෙම බෑ. ඉගෙන ගන්න එක කාට හරි උගන්වන්න මතක තියාගන්න. එතකොට තමයි හොඳම ඉගෙනීම එන්නේ. මට කවදා හරි නාගි කෙනෙක්ට හරි මල්ලි කෙනෙක්ට හරි කියලා දෙන්න වෙයි කියලා මතක තියාගන්න. අමතක කරන්න එපා.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, Anya. Anya, have you tried to disconnect your headset and use your laptop microphone and the sound? So will that be working?
No, teacher, it's not here to me. My
Working.
mother
Okay,
hears.
okay. No issues, Putide.
Now can hear.
Now I can
In
hear.
the
Yes,
voice.
I also can
Yes.
hear. Okay.
Well done, teacher.
Yes, Aditya. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Tarushi understood. Tasheli.
Teacher, finish, teacher.
Teacher.
Okay, Pute. Tarushi understood, Puta. And Pute, I recommend to watch my recordings again and again. Okay, before the exams at least. Okay.
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay, Pute. Give me a minute. I'm going to. Now, actually, all the things in my slides are covered from this video. But anyway, let me quickly drag down. Here, this activity, there is another video, Pute. It shows you the ray diagrams and everything. Let me show you that. Image formation by the concave mirror. Now you know all the terms like center of curvature here, focal point or the focus and the pole and the principal axis you know. Now you can understand what is happening when you place the screen in between the object and the mirror. Let's check.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Pute.
You send some that notes, right?
Yes,
Short
yes.
notes.
Not short notes, Pute.
I took them all. I took them all.
Okay.
So it will be easy for me to study.
Yes, yes. You take a printout and keep it with you and again you watch the recording. Okay? and highlight.
Okay.
Use a highlight pen. Ask your mother or father to bring you a highlight pen. Highlight.
Okay.
Plain mirror,
Okay,
you
teacher.
highlight. Definitions, highlight. Okay, that way you can remember. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, let's watch this then. On look at. Where is infinity? Am I sharing my screen? No need. Ayyo. Am I sharing, Pute?
No,
Not
still the
Ayyo.
board.
Very
still
sorry.
the not.
Very sorry. Let me replay the video.
Okay.
Now can see, need?
Now can see.
Yes.
Yes,
This is
teacher.
the experiment you done at school. Okay.
Let's find out the image formation by a concave mirror for different positions of the object from it. A concave mirror on a stand, a candle with flame, and a paper screen to capture the image are taken on a horizontal surface as shown. Positions of the center of curvature C, focal point F, and pole P are marked from the concave mirror. When the object, that is the candle, is placed at infinity, how is the image formed? Adjust the position.
Infinity means what? Any idea? Anantaya. Okay, at.
Not stopping.
Yes,
It's
not
not stopping.
stopping. Yes, like it's from the large distance. You are going to place the candle with this concave mirror with a large distance. That's why infinity.
Of the screen until you get a sharp image. We can see that a bright point-sized image is formed on the screen when the screen is in the position F. With the candle placed beyond the position C, adjust the screen until you get a sharp, bright image of the candle flame on it. We can see that a sharp, bright candle flame image is obtained on the screen when the screen is placed between C and F. The real image formed on the screen is inverted and diminished. Similarly, with the candle placed at position C, adjust the position of the screen. We can see that a clear image of flame is formed when the screen is placed at C. It is a same-sized inverted image. With the candle placed between C and F, adjust the position of the screen to get a sharp, bright image of the candle flame on it. We can see that a clear, magnified, inverted image of flame is formed when the screen...
It's inverted, need? It's going away from the mirror. What will happen? This object is going away from the mirror. You can see upside down image. Okay?
is placed beyond C.
Yes, not upright. Yes.
With the candle placed at F, adjust position of the screen. We can see that an image could not be captured on the screen at a very large distance. This can be verified with the help of ray diagram. Here, we can see that a highly enlarged image is formed at infinity. With the candle placed...
When the candle placed on the focal point or the focus, the image is placed in infinity. So we have to keep that screen in infinity to see the image of the candle. That's what she has to explain here. See, based on this ray diagram, you can see the image is made on the infinity. We can't see if the object is on the focal point. When the mirror is concave, what will happen? Image is made in the infinity. Remember that.
Between P and F adjusts the position of the screen. Here, we can't capture the image on the screen. From the ray diagram, we can see that the image can't be formed in front of the mirror. Thus, it is a virtual image which is enlarged and erect as seen in the mirror. Hence, we find that image formed by concave mirror is real or virtual, magnified, same-sized or diminished, erect or inverted for different positions of object.
Okay, so using a concave mirror, when you can see actually the upright and the enlarged image, when the object is in front of the, in between the pole and the focal point only, you can see the enlarged upright image where you can use that mirror to shaving mirror. Okay, remember that that's the concave mirror. Okay, you can see enlarged one. රැවුල් හොඳට පේන්න තමයි මේ අර ලොකුවට පෙන්නන්නේ. Okay. ළඟටම ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න ඕනේ. Okay. And dentists also use the same type of mirror. Isn't it, Lavya?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, this is your first
Yeah.
activity.
Downloads.
Okay, I think, no, let's try the other one as well. The next experiment. Give me a minute. I also include all the images explaining here, these labels and everything, how the rays are behaving. So you can refer it. You should not remember. Huh? You should not remember how these ray diagrams are coming, except the one I have explained on the board. Other than that, don't try to remember all these things. For your reference only I put. Then use of concave mirror. Okay, you know what, for shaving mirrors, for dentists to examine your teeth, and reflection for the telescopes and the microscopes as well, and to construct solar cookers, solar furnace. These are the uses of concave mirror. Remember all these 4 images, then you can easily write the answers in the exam. Okay, don't try to remember the text. Try to remember the images. It will be easy for you to remind or recall your memory. Then convex mirrors. Again, let me show you this video. Previously, we watched the video regarding the what? Concave mirror. Now, convex mirror. Shaven,
Let's
understood
study
Pute?
the image formation of a convex mirror for different positions of the object from it. A convex mirror, a candle, and a paper screen to capture the image are kept on a horizontal surface as shown. Move the candle and observe the image in the mirror and on screen. We can see that the image is not formed on the screen, thus it is a virtual image. The image of the candle is formed in the...
When the image become virtual means it's not, the image is not on the mirror. It's behind the mirror. Always it's behind the mirror if it is virtual means. Okay?
convex mirror. It is smaller in size and it is erect. Now, move the candle far away from the mirror and observe. We can see that the image is not formed on the screen. The image is virtual, smaller in size and erect. Thus, we find that the image formed by a convex mirror is always virtual, smaller in size and erect.
Remember that. What is the nature of the image formed by the convex mirror? Always virtual, smaller and upside. Always virtual, small and upright. I have explained it on the board as the same thing. Convex mirror image is always small and upright. And you have to add one more thing. It's virtual, always. Okay. Then you have to remember all these things properly. Okay, let me go to the slides again. Ray diagrams, no need to remember. Just look at here what is happening, how it is converging, how it is diverging. You can just use this thing. And instance where convex mirrors are used in day-to-day life, where for the side mirrors and the security mirrors in the shops. Okay, these are the day-to-day life related things. Yes, that's the end of today's lesson. Hope you understood. Any questions?
No, teacher.
No. Okay.
No, teacher. No, teacher.
Okay, then we'll try to complete. Yes, who's this?
I said no, teacher.
Ah, okay, Aditya. So last week you didn't understood neither what is happening here and there. Now you understood clearly. It's crystal clear, I hope. Isn't that?
Yeah,
Yes.
very clear.
Very clear. Then you can teach your science teacher as well. Teacher, this is not the way. This is how.
It's very, I mean, it's like no, transparent.
Sorry?
Too much clear that it's even transparent.
Ah, it's transparent, crystal clear. Okay, Midbo. Thank you for your comments. Okay, then. So, shall we wind up for today? We have 3 more minutes. Any questions except this lesson? Any other lessons? Any other questions?
No.
Tell me. Okay. If you don't have any questions, you have to score 100 marks for this term test. Okay. If you don't have questions means you have to score 100 for the term test.
We'll see. We'll see.
No, you can. Okay, you can watch my recordings. Okay, and revise again and again. Okay, we'll do the papers, past papers and all. Okay. Aditya, didn't you join to my maths lesson today? You were there? I didn't remember.
I'm sorry, but when we go to the joining link, they said that the stream hasn't started.
No. What will
Excuse
happen?
me, teacher.
Yes, give me a minute, Metbo. 1 more minute. Aditya, are you in my group?
Yeah.
Then that not be the case. You have to post me a WhatsApp message, yeah? If that the
Okay.
case. Okay. Tell me, Metbo. Yes.
I didn't come to the class because I was in high jump practice.
Yes. It's good to jump. But Metbo, pay attention on your studies as well. Watch my recordings later. Your father informed me.
Okay.
Okay.
Teacher, me also. I also have dancing practice.
Okay, Anya, I know all these things you have to do. But these are what? Extra curricular activities I told you before. Why it's extra? But are mandatory. Science, maths, other Sinhala, other subjects are mandatory. These are extra curricular activities. I told you one story. Isn't that true, Lavya, last time? There was a friend of mine. He was actually in Royal College, Colombo Royal. He did boy scouting. He was in the rugby, hockey. He played basketball. He was in the cricket team. Everything he has done, but finally he could pass the O-level with like passes වඩිය ගන්න බැරි වුණා. Okay.
Something.
Yes. After that, he faced to the A-levels. He took 3 F passes. 3 F passes. Okay. So finally, he was struggling to find a job. No one wanted him to be in because they are thinking if this guy can't pass the exams means he can't do a job. That's the impression in Sri Lanka, not the other countries. So first you have to pay attention on your studies. Focus focus as the first place for your studies. After that, go to the extracurricular activities. If you pass the exams well and if you go into the universities, no issues. You can easily find a job. but not the art related degrees. Most of the science degrees, the degree holders can find a job, proper job. Okay, Anya, you can dance, but pay attention to your studies first. I don't go go these kind of things, don't do sports and all. But if you miss a lesson, you have to watch my recordings and catch the things. Okay, then shall we wind up for today?
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Aditya, tell me.
Can you send the recordings for me about today? Maths.
Yes, surely I'll send you.
Thanks, teacher.
Still Pute, it's generating. After that, I need to upload to the YouTube and send the link. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, I'll send. And I gave some homework as well. Okay, then let's wind up for today. Any questions?
Thank you, teacher.
Okay. Then bye. Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.
Good night. Good night. Good night.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.